morning everyone. My name is Tanvinayak from grade 3 Marigold section. Now I am telling about healthy food versus junk food. Healthy food. Healthy food is good for body. It gives us energy to work. Fruits and vegetables are very healthy. Protein helps us build our muscles. Vitamins protect us from diseases. Eat fresh homemade food. Drinking water keeps us hydrated. Milk makes our bones very strong. Good food always keeps us happy. Junk food. Junk food is not good for health. It includes pizza, burgers, chips and cool drinks. Junk food has too much oil, sugar and salt. Eating junk food can make us sick. It can cause heart problems. Junk food is tasty but not healthy. It can harm our teeth and digestion. Now I am telling about healthy I rhyme about healthy food and junk food. Healthy food, who are you? Healthy food, who are you? I am the one that is good for you. I am the one that is good for you. I make you grow tall and strong. I make you grow tall and strong. I give you energy all day long. I give you energy all day long. Junk food, who are you? Junk food, who are you? I am the one that is bad for you. I am the one that is bad for you. I make you